Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alabdi Shariza. My teammate name Syafiqah Umaira, Ahmad Wali Yuhayu and Ahmad Danish Aiman. Okay, our group will present about Sime Darby industry. So the content of Sime Darby industry, first we'll like to share about introduction of company, key issue or problem, third data, fact and figures collected on issue, fourth analysis of issue, fifth alternative solution, and last conclusion. So introduction of Sime Darby. Sime Darby was founded in 1610 and grew to become the largest conglomerate in Malaysia. Sime Darby Plantation SDP is the agriculture division of Sime Darby Group, and with merger of Sime Darby Berhad, Golden Hope Plantation and kumpulan Ruta Berhad in 2007. And then SDP is one of the world's largest palm oil producer with 2.4 million tons of crude palm oil. And then Sime Darby businessmen consisted of British William Sime and Henry Darby, who has established Sime Darby and coal limitation based in Malaysia. What operation Sime Darby on Malaysia? Okay, first we have three, and first is state economic sector, business activity, and other operation. For state economic sector, we have farming, real estate, motor, energy and utilities, and also healthcare. And then for business activity, we have three, manufacture of rubber tires, weights, motor vehicle distribution, general and engineering service, and other operation. Sime Darby have the making, manufacture of refrigerated, tourism, product, tourism service, hospital, and golf. Go through about key issue and problem. For key issue and problem, Sime Darby is about COVID-19 for 2021. So we start to see about financial performance. For financial performance, as a result, the group revenue increased 2% years on year to 37 billion, and then net profit declined by 40% to 820 million. Core net profit for the year increased 10% to over 1 million.
Okay, next I will explain about capital budgeting. First, cost of budgeting. For 2019 years is 0% and 2020 years is 0%. Is same. Okay, second, cost of debt. 2020 years is 25,313.43, and for 2019 years is 28,155.22. Okay, cost of preferred store is 9. Finally, WACC for 2020 years is 3,755.33%, and for 2019 years is 2,841.7%.
Capital budgeting. A. Net present value NPV. How to get the answer? Cash flow divide to in bracket 1 plus I in bracket minus initial investment. B. Profitability index PI. So how to get the answer is NPV plus IO divide to IO, and we can get the answer. C. Payback period. Payback period, we have three payback period. The first one is total cash flow, number 2 average cash flow, and number 3 payback period. Okay, the first one is total cash flow. How to get the total cash flow? Cash flow years 1 plus cash flow years 2, and we can get the answer of the total cash flow. Okay, number 2, average cash flow. How to get the average cash flow? Total cash flow divide to 2 years of cash flow, and we can get average cash flow. Okay, number 3, payback period. How to get the payback period? Initial investment divide to average cash flow, and we can get the answer of payback period.
Okay, next I will explain about capital structure. Okay, for 2020, share price is RM 2.63. For 2019, share price is RM 2.74. Okay, for number of share repurchase, year 2020 is 1380.54 share, and for 2019 is uh, 939.78 share. Okay, for 2020, number of share remaining is 7418.46 share. For 2019 is 8359.22 share. Okay, for VU VL for 2020 is RM 1.95 share price is not constant. For 2020 is RM 1.81 share is not constant. Okay, next is for 2020, ni for case 2, unlevered is 2020 total 410.534. Okay, for 2019 years is 1531.994 Okay, debt after tax for 2020 is 1177.095, and debt after tax for 2019 is 499.55. Okay, leverage 2020 is 1387.629. For leverage 2019 is 2031.346. Okay, finally is WACC for 2020 is 3754.37%, and WACC for 2019 is 2841.7%.
Chapter 4, Analysis of the Issue. The COVID-19 crisis has worsened, putting the Malaysian economy and workers in jeopardy. Global challenge are significant. In the current economic climate, the movement control order is in effect. The economy has hit challenge with unmanaged environment to support commercial expenses, especially unbalanced business environments and unbalanced business operation model. As a result, the cost of capital equity is highest. For the corporation, the dividend will remain constant in 2020, and 2019 will the debt will be large in 2019. In 2019 is also as a high weight average cost of capital compared to the prior years. Furthermore, there is case 1, there are no tax and bankruptcy.
Alternative solutions. Darby is taking extensive measures to prevent a COVID-19 outbreak among its employees should it occur in the country. As a result, there are various approaches to handling cases in general. As part of the precautionary measures, key business buildings and production lines were among the measures implemented. This is due to the large number of employees, as well as the importance of maintaining a high level of cleanliness in all industrial processes. Darby, for example, must implement early sanitation and preventive methods to minimize any potential health concerns, as well as provide valuable information about employee safety and belongings.
Okay, for the chapter 6 is conclusion. When the disease epidemic has spread, the government has implemented the movement control order PKP. Therefore, business owner will increase many expenses and pay debt to supplier and rent permits, as well as fulfill the responsibility of returning employees. financial position, as well as balancing the business operation model and the business environment. There are many changes the current tendency that need to be faced for a business to able to deal with as well as survive longer and running smoothly.